Hello! This short tutorial video will explain how to access your library of digital books through the English Experience website. To get started, click on the login button at the top right of the site's homepage. Then enter your username or email address and your password into the text boxes and click the login button. The site will reload and display your account dashboard page. Your library of available digital books is displayed on screen, and the menu on the left allows you to view recent orders, manage your addresses, and edit your account details. To read one of your digital books, click on the red View button to its right. Doing so will open the summary page for that specific book, in this case Footprints, our collection of African poetry. To read the book, click on the red Read button. This will launch the book in the e-reader in a new browser tab. You can page forwards and backwards using the arrows either side of the content, and you can also use the scroll bars at the right hand side and the bottom to scroll up and down and left and right. The e-reader has several tools which can be accessed from the toolbar in the top right corner. Click on the magnifying glass icon to search for specific words or phrases within the digital book. For example, the word Mandela. Results will be listed in the column below, and you can click on a specific result to jump straight to that page. Click on the icon that looks like a page with bullet points to open the table of contents. The table of contents is interactive, and you can click on an item to jump straight to that section of the book. Click on the plus and minus icon to open the zoom slider. You can use this tool to adjust the size of the page of content displayed on screen for readability. For example, click on the dot and slide it to the right to magnify the content, and then page forwards and backwards and scroll up and down as required. Click on the ribbon icon to open the bookmarks menu, and use this tool to save a particular page for quick access later. Click on the speech bubble icon to add a note to a page. Your notes and bookmarks will be listed in the toolbar menu every time you access the book, and they will be displayed on the summary page for that book. Notes can also be printed from the summary page. Click on the icon that looks like 4 arrows pointing outwards to switch to full screen mode, then press the escape key on your keyboard or click the icon again to exit full screen mode. And when you have finished reading the digital book, simply close the browser tab to exit the e-reader. And that is how to access the digital books in your library and how to use the English Experience e-reader. Please note that digital books can only be accessed while online and cannot be downloaded and read offline. We hope you have found this video tutorial useful. If you would like help with another task related to our digital platform or our e-reader, please let us know by emailing info@englishexperience.co.za or by calling us on 011 786 6702 during normal office hours. Thank you for watching.